Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl evadiamondj, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be installing a wig from WestKissHair. Of course, they sent in a few extra goodies for me to apply this wig. This is their 250% density body wave wig. It's an HD 13. What I'm doing is applying the wig cap. Me personally, I don't apply the wig cap like all the way on my head. I just feel like with the wig cap on the part where the lace is, it just kind of messes up the melt. So as you can see, like as soon as I put the wig on, it's already eating. Like it looks like I did everything to it whole time. I got it out the box like this. With this wig, you will have to cut out your ear tabs. For me, that's like the hardest part about installing this wig. Everything else came so easily. What you would want to do is just kind of trace out your ear, installing 13x6 wigs. But once I got it done, it was really looking good. After you place your wig exactly where you want to be, you're going to lift it up and then apply the spray. I used the Wonder Lace spray by Eben in the black can. So I'm going to apply 2 layers of this spray and evenly distribute it just like the first one. Tacky. I just thought it was funny because it was this video that I saw and the girl was like moving her head back and forth to try to help the stylist, and it wasn't helping. But the next thing you're going to do is just literally pull your lace down exactly where you would want it to be. Once you feel like you placed it the right... Once your lace is placed where you would want it to be, you're going to take a comb and press into the wig so that way the wig can go inside of the glue, making sure that your lace is securely into the glue. Next, I'm going to be taking another spray by Eben. This is their melting spray in the red bottle, and you're going to apply this to the perimeter of the wig. This is going to ensure like a more better melt. And then just like you did before, once the spray is applied, you're going to take your comb and you're going to press into the wig so that way it's more secure. And you're going to do the same exact steps to the other side. Next, you're going to want to grab your blow dryer so that you can blow dry this spray until it is dry. You have to make sure that this spray is dry, and I will not stress this enough because you do not want your lace band to be sticking to your wig, meaning that when you take off your lace band, it's going to make your wig lift up. So once you're done blow drying everything and pressing everything down, you're going to take your comb once again and you're going to press it into it again. And then you're going to take your wig band and you're going to apply your wig band. With me personally, like when I do this wig band method, like sometimes it'd be too tight. Like as you can see right here, it's like bubbling up a little bit. So I did go in and take this one off and I applied it again because I do not want my lace to be melted. And then we're going to take it off, and as you can see, the lace is melted. Okay, it looks so good. WestKissHair does have some of the best HD lace that will melt right into your skin. So then next, you're just going to want to take your scissors and like cut the middle of your lace jagged. So when I use it, it wasn't cutting as evenly as I wanted to, but basically you're just going to want to go around the perimeter of the wig and just use your razor, and it's going to just do like a uneven cut to where it's like it's not too perfect, but it's like jagged almost, so that way it doesn't look like a wig, if that makes sense. And then I saw this method on TikTok where you kind of just like shave the lace. I don't know how to explain it, but you can kind of see what I'm doing here. But be careful that you don't like, you know, go too far down and then cut your eyebrows, because I almost did that a few times. But you're gonna want to cut as much lace off as you possibly can, and then you're gonna do the same exact thing to the next side and make sure that all the lace is cut. So now that all the lace is cut, we're gonna go in with the Eben spray again, and we're going to spray it on our fingers this time and just apply it to the lace where like those parts are like lifting up a little bit after we're done cutting it. This step is very important because it's going to ensure that the lace is melted into our skin and there's not going to be any lifting at all. So make sure you do this on the entire head until you are satisfied with how it looks. Next, we're going to be taking our blow dryer and our rat tail comb and just pressing against it, but then I like press it in between parts and just like make it cool, then hot, then cool, then hot. Once everything is lace, like I literally didn't put any makeup on it or anything. So if you are a beginner and you're trying to put on a 13x6 turned out, and for me to be like a beginner with this 13x6 thing, I am loving the result. There is no styling needed. Try to brush out the curls, and literally all I have to do is twirl it with my finger and it literally will be back in memory of what the curl used to be. So like I said, like this wig is literally perfect for beginners. Like it comes exactly like this. Like you literally have to do nothing but melt it, cut the lace, cut your ear tabs, and put it on. That's literally it.